Let us consider this problem. Let me call it as sorting variant. So the problem is this. Given an integer array, say a1 to an, and the question is sort A, and objective is we want to sort A with minimum number of comparisons. So sort A with minimum number of comparisons. So something like an optimization version of sorting problem. This is different. This is different from our usual sorting problem where we are asked to sort. This additional constraint will not be there. Suppose let's apply, say, divide and conquer strategy and approach this problem. So you have a problem of size n, and which we divide into two subproblems, say n by 2, n by 2. Solve this recursively, meaning find a sorting sequence of this satisfying this objective, meaning sort this n by 2 elements with least number of comparisons, sort this n by 2 with least number of comparisons, and combine them to get a sorted sequence of size n, again using the least number of comparisons. So when we combine these two, we ensure that we incur least number of comparisons. So like that we keep doing it at each iteration. So sort this recursively using minimum number of comparisons, sort this recursively using minimum number of comparisons, and combine these two to get a sorted sequence of size n by 2 using minimum number of comparisons. So like that we keep doing it. This is similar to merge sort, but with the additional objective that we demand a minimum number of comparisons at each stage of the recursion. Correct? So, if you look at this problem, n is divided into n by 2, like that it goes. So finally we get to see T of one subproblem everywhere. Correct? So if you observe this subtree and this subtree, so this problem of size n by 2 is different from this problem of size n by 2. So is the case with this n by 4, this n by 4 and so on. Which means these subproblems are independent. Subproblems are independent, or there is no overlapping subproblems. But optimal substructure exists. So you can look at it this way. So optimal solution to this depends on optimum solution to n by 2 and optimum solution to n by 2. So this says solve recursive subproblem of n by 2, size n by 2 with least number of comparisons, and sort this problem with least number of comparisons and combine them. So optimal solution to problem size n depends on optimal solution to this subproblem of size n by 2 and this subproblem of size n by 2. So optimal substructure exists. So optimal substructure exists, but there is no overlapping subproblems. So there are case studies where you see that only this exists but no overlapping subproblems, and in that case if you look at dp and its behavior is same as divide and conquer, because dynamic programming, if you exploit overlapping subproblem, then you bring tabular method or array method and so on. If both are there, then dp. If only one property is satisfied, meaning overlapping subproblem alone, for example Fibonacci and n-choose our problem, we still have DP solution. And similarly, we satisfy just optimal substructure and no overlapping subproblem, we still have DP solution. But all that we are saying, the DP solution and divide and conquer solution are one and the same. Or put it in other words, if you look at DC, divide and conquer, and the other side DP, for divide and conquer, subproblems are independent. No overlapping subproblems. Over here, subproblems are dependent or overlapping subproblems. So optimization may exist, may not, depends on the problem. So because of that, if you look at recursive solution, now there is no overlapping subproblem. So you look at the recursive solution is precisely divide and conquer. Recursive solution follows divide and conquer paradigm. And or you can also say the recursive solution follows dynamic programming based paradigm. But dynamic programming based paradigm and not satisfying overlapping subproblem property, which means behavior of DNC, divide and conquer, and DP are one and the same. So this also tells you that many classical problems that we come across, although the first appearance it doesn't appear like an optimization problem, one can fine tune, one can look at a variant and bring an optimization appropriate. This is different. We are not saying this problem and sorting are one and the same. It's a different problem. And just by bringing a variant, you can see that dynamic programming based solution exists. Although it is in line with divide and conquer, one can see it as dynamic programming based solution not satisfying overlapping subproblem property.